One of the major questions is that why should we waste our time on long divisions when we can use remainder theory? To answer this question, let's take a look at this example. Two expressions are divided by x minus 4 and still they have the same remainder. What I want to do is to call f of x as p x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3 and g of x as 2x cubed minus 5x plus p. As you can see, if you want to use the long division, it takes a lot of time. Also, the coefficient of x cubed in f of x is unknown, which is p. And the constant term, p, in g of x is also unknown. So, it is easier to use the remainder theory instead of the long division, which takes a lot of time. But first, let's learn the remainder theory. Assume that you want to divide 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 by x minus 3. So your first step is to check 2x squared divided by x and you will get 2x. Now you have to multiply 2x by x, which you get 2x squared, and now 2x multiplied by minus 3, which is minus 6x. Let's subtract the bottom from the top. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Minus 5x minus 6x. So it will turn to plus 6x. And finally you will get just x. Now you can move minus 1 down and the same strategy would be used. Now x minus 1. Divide by x minus 3, you will get just 1 because x divided by x is just 1. So 1 times x, x. 1 times negative 3, negative 3. Again, subtract the bottom from the top. So x equals 0 minus 1 minus 3 equals 2. As you can see, the remainder is 2. Now we can check the remainder theorem. For the remainder theorem, I would like to put x minus 3 equals 0. And by solving this equation, I will get x equals 3. Okay, when x is equal to 3, I would like to sub in 3. 2 times 3 squared minus 5 times 3 minus 1 would be 18 minus 15 minus 1 equals 2. So, the same remainders. But one of them is easier. The remainder theorem is much easier. Let's go back to our question. If you divide these two expressions by x minus 4, you will get the same remainder. So, let's put x minus 4 equals 0, and by solving x minus 4 equals 0, the answer of x would be 4. We are going to put f of 4 equals g of 4 because the remainders are the same. If I substitute 4 instead of all x's of f of x, it would turn to p times 4 cubed plus 3 times 4 squared minus 3. And if I substitute 4 instead of all x's of g of x, it would turn to 2 times 4 cubed minus 5 times 4 plus p. And you will end up with 64p plus 48 minus 3 equals 128 minus 20 plus p. Let's collect the like terms. 64p plus 45 equals 108 plus p. Now we can move all p's to left side and all the numbers to the right side. So 64p minus p equals 108 minus 45. 64p minus p is obviously 63p and 108 minus 45 is 63. Now by dividing both of them by 63, you will end up with p equals 1. Now you can solve the questions which are related to remainder with the use of remainder theorem instead of wasting your time on long divisions. See you in the next video.